Hey guys, it's Alicia Soical with Alicia & Company at Long & Foster, and it's Friday, going into the weekend with open houses, and also going forward, just know diligently here at Alicia & Company, we will be making sure that our clients are going to be safe in other people's homes, so do not worry. If you want to take a look at houses, give me a call. We are happy to do so. Of course, if you're not feeling well, please stay home. I think that's a general rule of thumb no matter what's going on. Hand washing, of course, but we're going to have hand sanitizer at open houses that we hold. And we're going to make sure to wipe down doorknobs and countertop spaces, things like that, prior to the open house and after the open house to protect our sellers as well as buyers coming in, and having individual pens that people can walk away with so that no one is touching and touching anything basically. And also for greeting people, we'll make sure not to do the handshake as they're telling us not to do, but just to do elbow bumps maybe or foot bumps. But here we are not concerned. I just wanted to let you know that, and it's actually still a great time to buy. Very low rates, 50-year historic low. And if you're contained at home and you need more space, you're realizing that now, great time to get your home organized. I know great vendors for organization, great time to basically get your house ready to sell if you want to put on the market in the next month or so. Perfect time to sell because there's no inventory, and so people are looking at houses still. Wrote contracts, been writing contracts, going to an inspection here soon. So do not panic. I'm actually really excited because the market's growing for us here in real estate. So keep me posted. If I'm happy to have a confidential conversation with you guys, you can DM me, just shoot me a message, or you know how to reach me if you're my peeps. Talk to you all soon. Happy Friday. Bye.